Ready to unlock the power of version control and streamline your Ubuntu development workflow? First, make sure Git is installed by opening your terminal if it's not already there. Simply type sudo apt update followed by sudo apt install git and hit enter to install it. You may be prompted to enter your password. Now navigate to your project directory by using the cd command. For example, if your project is in a folder called My Project on your desktop, the command would be cd desktop my project. To initialize a new Git repository, type in Git in it. This creates a hidden Git folder in your project directory, which is where Git stores all the information about your repository. Let's make some changes to your files. Once you've edited or added files, use the git status command to see which files have been modified or are untracked. To stage all the changed files, type git and don't forget the dot. It tells Git to add all changes in the current directory and its subdirectories. Now it's time to commit your changes. Type git commit followed by a descriptive message within quotation marks that explains what you changed, like initial commit. And that's it. You've successfully initialized a repository, staged your changes, and made your first commit. You're now on your way to mastering Git for version control and collaborative development in Ubuntu. Stay tuned for more Git tutorials.